Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Focus Training. Guys, today I'm going to discuss about Java 19, the latest version of Java 19 installation and download and installation of Java 19, and run the first Java application, Java program with Java 19. Guys, today I'm going to show how to download and install the Java 19 and run basic Java program with Java 19. So we'll go through the download portal first. You can go to the java.oracle.com. There we can download our latest Java 19 version. So you can see here Java SC 19.0.1. So I'm looking for Windows. So within your Windows 10, you can look for the x64 installer. Here we have that installer file. You can download this installer file. As it's a 159 MB file, it might take 1 minute, not 2 minutes time to download. Once it get downloaded, we can install this JDK 19 version, latest version, and we can run our first Java program, guys. Just if you want to download the latest Java version, we can go to the oracle.com Java and you can look for the Windows version. If you have Linux or Mac OS, if you're using, you can go with the Linux or Mac OS. So Linux, we have all the installers here. If you are using Mac, you can go with the Mac. Either Mac, all the Mac downloaders will be there. If you currently I'm working with Windows, so I'm taking x64 installer of the Windows. So it's downloaded. You can now install this downloader, guys, the exe file. Installation is processing. It's preparing to install the latest version of Java in Windows 10. Just a few minutes. You can just maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, you can go to the one by one next. So it's the default location is C program files Java JDK 19. So it's a default location. If you want, you can change it to different location. I'm keeping the same. Starting installing it. It will take just 1 or 2 minutes, guys. Yes, now it's done. Installation done, guys. You can see here everything done. Access tutorials. If you want to access some tutorials, API documentation, developer guides, and all, you can go one by one. But currently, we don't require those at all. Just I'm closing this pop-up. and we can go and recheck in our default location where it will get installed. So we given default location program files, C program files, Java. You can see here JDK 19 guys. It's one Java JDK 11 I have already. I installed JDK 19 here. So you can also here JDK 19 got installed. Copy this path to your system environment variables. System environment variables. Go to here environment variables and you can observe Java home is already set for 11.0.15. Just to remove that one, I'm providing a JDK 19 path instead of 11. Just okay and go to path, hit the path, provide new already again Java home, Java Java underscore home slash bin. This we can observe inside our will show that one bin by again. So path we need to give up to bin. Java home we given up to JDK 19. Click OK and OK. So JDK 19 inside bin we need to take into the path guys. So now we can go and open the start button. We can open command prompt. So Java version here. Java hyphen Java 19.1. So you can see we can observe here the Java version is Java 19. So if you want to see compiler also Java C hyphen version. See the Java C compiler version is 19.01. So now it's downloaded Java 19 got downloaded and installed guys. You can write one sample program and go here Java labs. You can open one new file. You can select some text document file and write it to Java. Java. Extending it Java. You can provide here. So remove the text and you can do only Java file guys. Will be Java file. Green.java. Now it is empty. You can open with any editor. So I will open with edit plus plus, notepad plus plus, and write your Java class here. Simply class green. So inside this writing the method green. You can write one print statement and not all the one five by each statement in printing. You can save the file file got saved. So we can run the file from our command prompt. We can open the path where we have file got saved here. We will open this Java Labs. Open command prompt here. Command prompt here and run Java C dot Java delete dot Java. Compiled. We can see dot class file got created, guys, within our folder. A dot class. We can run Java class name e dot. You can see the output. Hi Mahesh. Within our class, what we written printed. Hi Mahesh. We written a public class greet. Within the main method, we're writing Hi Mahesh. This printing like greet message, just greet message. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. I have just shown here with downloading and installing Java latest version of Java 19, and running the first Java program, editing environment, setting environment variables, and running your first Java program. So for today, that's it, guys. We can see our thanks for watching video. Thanks for watching my video, guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Uh, Please subscribe to my channel. Tech Focus Training, guys. Bye.